Hello friends, today we are going to talk about neutral emotions. Professor Park Jae-woo has given us a beautiful concept of neutral emotions. What are the neutral emotions? Emotions like smile, modesty, humility, kindness, generosity, praise, love, all these are neutral emotions. It is possible to increase the neutral emotions in a person. Yes, it is a little surprising, but I have worked on it. Two small brothers who had come, and the mother was very upset because they had lot of jealousy in them. So when we increase the kindness and the love and generosity in the children, we could see the difference in the relationship between the two brothers. And in one of the case, the child was not at all thankful. The mother was complaining that whatever I bring for my child, the child is always complaining. At that time, I helped the mother by increasing the gratitude. So we applied the color therapy and it really helped to increase the gratitude in the child. Once I helped a girl. She did not have any friends and she was very unhappy. So when I increased her neutral emotions, she was able to make new friends. And sometimes even parents don't have those neutral emotions. So when the parents are complaining about the children, we should also do the same treatment for the parents also. The same neutral emotions should be increased in the parents as in the mother or the father, and the same colors can be applied to the child. If you are applying these colors on your own, then you should be very smiley at that moment. Take a deep breath, smile, and then apply. If it is always better if the other person is very smiling, the most smiling person in the house should be helping out with the neutral emotions. So, you can try these neutral emotions. These are nice. Even all of us should apply once in a week to increase our neutral emotions. Because as we age, because of all the hurts in our life, all these neutral emotions start diminishing. They reduce. So आजकल ज़्यादातर ये देखने में आता है कि बच्चों में खासकर किसी भी चीज़ की खुशी नहीं है, सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं है, क्योंकि उनमें प्यार की कमी है। तो अगर हम उनका लव बढ़ा देंगे तो उनमें क्या होगा, थोड़ा सेटिस्फेक्शन आएगा। और अगर बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा कर रहे हैं, उनमें इतना ज़्यादा एंगर है क्योंकि उनमें दे आर नॉट काइंड इनफ, उनमें वो फीलिंग्स नहीं है, काइंडनेस की फीलिंग नहीं है। तो अगर उनमें हम थोड़ी काइंडनेस और सिंपैथी की फीलिंग बढ़ा देंगे तो उनका गुस्सा थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा। वो लोग रियलाइज करने लग जाएंगे चीज़ों की इम्पोर्टेंस को। और अगर किसी में बहुत ज़्यादा फियर और एंजाइटी आ रही है और उसमें अगर हम लोग ग्रैटिट्यूड बढ़ा दें, उसमें ग्रैटिट्यूड बढ़ा देंगे तो उनका वो जो फियर और वो कम हो जाएगा। तो उसका जो न्यूट्रल इमोशन है वो उसका ग्रैटिट्यूड है। तो उसको ग्रैटिट्यूड बढ़ा देने से द पर्सन विल फील बेटर। इसी प्रकार अगर हम किसी में बहुत ज़्यादा सैडनेस है, जेलसी है बच्चों में और हेट्रेड है, तो उसमें अगर हमारा न्यूट्रल इमोशंस प्रेस का बढ़ा देंगे तो उनमें वो चेंज आपको नजर आएगा।